Okay. So see, this is what I think this is the second or third lecture with you people. So today, we are getting into the actual topic. So the actual meaning of strategy. Then we'll go with strategic management. Okay. So see. Okay. So first of all, let me show you one more presentation that I have. 1 minute. Yes, so see, this is for like those of you who are coming for the first time. This is जस्ट अ ब्रीफ हम बोल सकते हैं पूरे सब्जेक्ट में एग्जैक्टली क्या है व्हाट स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट सो सी जस्ट टू कवर अप ऑन अ फ्यू वर्ड्स लाइक कॉम्पिटिटर प्रोसेस decision goals objectives resources environment right pastel environment we had I think already covered in the last lecture so I want to ask you like see every time सिंस इट्स नॉट इंटरेक्टिव सो मैं तुम्हारा थोड़ा फॉलो अप तो लूंगी लाइक कितना होम असाइनमेंट किया है एंड ऑल सो ओवर यर कैन एनीवन टेल मी strategic management in three simple words what does it mean I'm waiting for your reply strategic management in three simple words क्या मीनिंग है उसका Thank you so much for replying. Yes, it is nothing but long term plan, right? Good. So now I am sharing with you the actual slide. Yes, see ये थ्री वर्ड्स जो है आपको एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर होने चाहिए पूरा जो सब्जेक्ट है इट्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस राइट ओके 1 minute फर्स्ट लेट मी शेयर व्हाट इज स्ट्रेटेजी yes so see I hope you can see the screen clearly definition of strategy लिखा है please reply in the chat box Okay, thank you so much. So, see, it's derived from the Greek word stratos, which means STRATOS, stratos है वो. So, stratus का meaning है army and ago का meaning है leading. So, see, try to understand this. You have already studied in the previous sem. Who's a good leader? So, for someone who himself goes ahead and उसकी पूरी team को together everyone achieves more. I always keep on emphasizing, right? तो खुद तो आगे जाता ही है बट उसकी टीम को भी आगे लेके जाता है अपने साथ राइट तो वही उसका मीनिंग लिखा है सेकेंड पॉइंट इज एक्शन दैट मैनेजर्स टेक टू अचीव ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल नाउ आई वांट एनीवन टू क्विकली टेल मी ओवर हियर एनी टू गोल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के क्या गोल्स होते हैं एनी टू आई एम आस्किंग क्विकली रिप्लाई इन द चैट बॉक्स Good. First one is always to achieve profit. Yes. And any one more. Just one more. और एक गोल क्या हो सकता है Profit was right. Absolutely. Come on. It's very easy. Organizational goals कोई भी कंपनी क्या चाहती है and see yes thank you so much for answering goodwill is the right answer see over a period of time I told you right profit achieve करना goodwill अच्छा मार्केट में नाम होना it's not very easy right it happens over a period of time इसके examples आगे जाके मैं देने वाली हूँ Okay, so it can be defined as a general direction set for company. I would like to give you an example. Everyone in the class knows who Dhirubhai Ambani is, right? So Reliance, founder of Reliance. Otherwise, take the example of Jack Ma, JACKMA, the founder of Alibaba.com. जैसे यहाँ पे अंबानी है वैसे चाइना में it's Jack Ma, right? The richest person over there. So क्या होता है? What I mean to say is पर्सनली भी जो सक्सेसफुल लोग होते हैं दोज हु आर सक्सेसफुल दे नो दे आर फॉलोइंग अ राइट पाथ लाइक येस्टरडे आई रेड अ रिसर्च उसमें इट वाज टोल्ड कि आउट ऑफ एवरी फॉर एग्जांपल 10 कंपनी स्टार्टअप कंपनीज जो आती है उसमें से ओनली आई कैन से 1 or 2 out of 10 आर सक्सेसफुल, बाकी ये जो 8 9 है दे आर अ बिग फेलियर, राइट? बिकॉज कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, मे बी उनका प्लान अच्छा नहीं था, प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं था, राइट? बट आई होप माई पॉइंट इज क्लियर। तो स्ट्रैटेजी में भी वही है, जनरल डायरेक्शन फॉर द कंपनी एंड इट्स वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स। सी वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स मीन्स नथिंग बट आपके कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉयज है, राइट? मतलब व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज आपकी पूरी जो हम बोलते हैं ना मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स है, तो ये हमारी पूरी जो मैनेजमेंट टीम है कैसे लीड कर रही है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट, राइट? To achieve a desired state in future, desired state means nothing but to achieve more and more profit, or otherwise said, for someone it might be, having a goodwill. See, that again totally depends on the ethics of the company कि उनके लिए profit पहले है, goodwill पहले है, brand name, right? So strategy results from detailed strategic planning process. Today what we are going to learn, strategic planning process, वो पूरा process. You will ask, मैम हम लोग इतना पढ़ रहे हैं strategic management actually कैसे होता है, that we are going to study, right? So yeah. So I hope this slide is clear. Can I move on to the next slide? Please reply अब तक clear है, किसी को कुछ doubt है? Thank you so much for replying. Okay. Now I'll share with you the second slide. Okay. See, second slide. Okay, and now this is the first question for today's assignment. What do you mean by strategic management? So, see, as I told today, we are getting more detailed into the subject. कि strategic management क्या है? So, see what it's written. It is the set of managerial decision and action. Okay, now let me ask you over here. I always ask my students a question first. Uh, can you tell me which are the three levels of management? Three levels of management. ये आपने दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन, आपको पता होना चाहिए बीइंग बीएमएस स्टूडेंट्स. यस, आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर्स. टॉप, middle and yes, thank you so much for replying everyone. Yes, three levels of management. And yeah, I wanted to ask you one question. ये lecture हुआ नहीं है, right? Because since I conduct in too many classes, this has not happened previously, right? I just wanted to confirm. Because with different divisions, different classes I'm taking. That's why I'm confirming. ओके, यस. सो मूविंग ऑन, और एक क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को पूछ लेती हूँ. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू पीपल, ये जो हम बोल रहे हैं लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग, स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग, कौन प्लानिंग करता होगा? वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट, सो ये सब जो प्लानिंग एंड ऑल है कौन करता होगा? विच लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट रादर? Yes, manager comes under top level. Now see, try to understand. You will ask, ma'am, why top level management only? The simple reason being they are the ones who are the owners of the company. For example, board of directors, the chairman, or otherwise जो उनके under काम करते हैं managers, right? So what I mean to say here is, after all, see, they are the ones, for example, middle level, there's middle level, lower level, so they are the ones who are going to pay them salary, right? तो decision तो उनका ही चलेगा. So वही लिखा है, set of managerial decision. इसमें वो सब आ जाते हैं, functions of management, POSD, CORB, planning, organizing, all of those steps, right? That determines long term performance of corporation or company. See, इसका भी मीनिंग यही था. आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू, यर स्ट्रेटेजिक की बात हो रही है, वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट लॉन्ग टर्म, राइट? शॉर्ट टर्म हमारे जो इमीडिएट गोल्स है, दैट वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, राइट? It includes environmental scanning, both internal and external. So see, this we had done during the last lecture. External scanning means it's about pastel environment, right? Not, I'm not covering that. अब तक तो सबको by heart ही हो गया होगा. And internal environment. Internal means what? कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं, मिशन स्टेटमेंट, विजन, उनकी क्या वैल्यू सिस्टम है, राइट? वो सब, ऑल ऑफ दैट कम्स अंडर इंटरनल. Strategy formulation. Okay, so see, formulate means what? हमने इतना सारा I must have told you planning के लिए almost, in companies they spend, I can say, 70 to 80% of effort goes only in the first step, which is planning. Right? Strategy formulation, matlab why you formulate a plan. I have always told you, right? Plan A, plan B, plan C. It's about that. Then strategy implementation. Implementation means putting it into actual use. So for example, if I have, as a teacher, I have made a plan for you कि I want you to score very good marks. So मेरा plan क्या था? I want every day I'll have a follow up with my students, and one more thing could be, I'll make sure every day everyone studies for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now you people tell me, अगर तुम लोग ही effort नहीं put कर रहे हो, what I mean is plan बहुत अच्छा था, but implementation नहीं है, तुम लोग effort नहीं put in कर रहे हो, तो ये सब planning किया उसका कोई use नहीं है, right? Yes, evaluation and control, again very important. Now let me ask you people, since we are talking about now, अभी हम लोग लोअर एंड मे बी मिडल मैनेजमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ यू पीपल टेल मी, फॉर देम लोअर एंड मिडल, क्या वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपना काम खुद से करेंगे? लाइक ऐसा कोई मैनेजर होगा जो बोल देगा कि चलो मुझे एम्प्लॉयज पे, आई फुल्ली ट्रस्ट देम, आई वांट टू डू, आई एम गिविंग देम द फुल 100% फ्रीडम, वो लोग को जो करना है करो. इज इट, डज इट हैपन इन रियल वर्ल्ड लाइक दैट? करेक्ट, आई एम गेटिंग द रिस्पॉन्सेज. ऑब्वियसली नो. सी, जब कोई किसी को सैलरी देता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर बीइंग पेड टू डू सम वर्क, देर इज ऑलवेज अ सेट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट कम along with it, right? So in the same way, evaluation and control, see, after all we are human beings and mistakes हमसे ही होने ही वाली है, right? So evaluate and control means what? Maybe for example, if I am a teacher, मैं तुम लोग को, simple example, exam halls, why do they have supervisors? To maintain discipline in the class, right? So in the same way over here, companies में, to make sure कि कोई mistakes ना करे. And what we had learned, smart goals जो है, we achieve those goals on time, right? वरना तो everyone will take it very lazily कि करेंगे in a lethargic way, right? The next point is, it emphasizes the monitoring and evaluating of external opportunities. Okay. So now I want to ask you people a question over here. Like, see, I have already told you, pestle environment is uncontrollable. It cannot be controlled by anyone. Right? Internal is controllable up to some extent, but external we cannot. So, since the current coronavirus pandemic is going on, I want to ask you people, can you tell me actually coronavirus जब start हुआ था, it was which month? I want to know the month, actual when it started. All of us know that it started in China, but which month, that I want to know. Okay, I'm getting the answers. Everyone please be interactive ताकि मुझे भी लगे. Like, see, time की limitation है, इसलिए I'm not asking each one of you, but at least you can reply. Wrong है तो भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Okay, good. Thank you so much. It started in the month of December in Wuhan, China. What I mean to say here is, see, अगर आप for example if you keep on reading newspapers, आपका मीडिया में, what's going on around the world, current affairs. So I mean, you can, these things were predicted. Let me give you an example of Google and Amazon. If you might have heard, over there they have made now work from home compulsory till 2021. What I mean to say is, we don't know when this virus will end, but what Google, Facebook, Amazon say, we don't want employees to, come to the offices for 1 or 2 more years. घर से काम करो. I mean, so innovative, futuristic company, right? Yes. And evaluating external opportunities and threats in lights of a corporation's strength and weakness. So see, this I must have told you already, हु इज अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर और अ गुड मैनेजर, जो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को यूज करके आगे जा सकता है, राइट, जिसे अपनी वीकनेस पता हो। मे बी कई बार फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी नो कॉम्पिटिटर्स वीकनेस देन ऑल्सो वी कैन गो अहेड, right? So I think this slide is clear till now. See, first slide, see what is strategy. Second slide was what is strategic management. Okay, thank you so much for replying. Yeah, and see one more thing before I forget to tell you, I wanted to tell. Like, see, I must have told you, I don't know. By the week end, matlab Sunday, I want all of you to submit all my assignments together. I think week में हमारे 3 lectures are happening. So all 3 assignments, because क्या होता है, if you start mailing एक एक करके individually, it becomes confusing for me also. So all the 3 assignments what I'll give you today also, mail it by the end of the week. On Sunday you can mail it to me, and they are strictly handwritten. I hope you people have my email ID. Yes or no? Yes, and YouTube channel, have you people subscribed to my YouTube channel? For example, okay, thank you so much. If anyone has not seen the previous videos, कुछ doubt है, नहीं समझ में आया, absent है due to genuine reason, you can always go there and watch. Okay, so now I'll move to the, I think these slides I already shared with you people yesterday, right? So now we'll start with the main answer for today. Okay. Okay, so are you able to see this strategic management process? Please type in the chat box. See, because ये जो answer है, this is very 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 important. It is always a short question in exams. आता ही है. एंड सी, ये इसके पहले का जो स्लाइड था, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट, यू ऑलरेडी नो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? पूरे सब्जेक्ट लॉन्ग आंसर शॉर्ट आंसर्स जो भी है, वो डेफिनेशन यू आर राइटिंग, सो मीनिंग तो आने ही वाला है, right? So now we'll start with this. Okay, so before see, because wo division maybe I had done it the same way, this is a long answer, so I think I could cover only the first 3 points. So I think yahan pe bhi, since we have exactly 20 minutes to go, I don't know what exactly how much we will be able to cover. So uske pehle just I'll type the assignment question. The first one is what is strategic management. Last time we did what is strategy. Today is what is strategic management. Explain the process of strategic management. ये आपके 2 questions हैं, ठीक है? So you can anyway start, full answer भी लिखा तो it's fine. Even if you write 3 points, it's fine. So I hope home assignment for today is clear. What is strategic management? Explain the process of strategic management. I hope this is clear. Okay. So now we'll begin with the answer. Okay. So see, there are a total of 5 points. इसमें भी there are many sub points. So the first one is strategy formulation. So see, as I have told you, 80% of the times is all about making a good plan, because हम बोलते हैं ना, जो backbone होता है, foundation, it's all about a good plan, right? So the first point is review current situation. Okay. Now see, review current situation means what? For example, understand where you stand. तुम लोग कहाँ हो? So see, for example, uh, okay, you people tell me, एक startup company है. We already know startup companies जो होती है, there is always a problem of funding, right? Funds कम होते हैं. So now you people tell me, if some startup companies think कि चलो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज हैड फॉलोड वन पर्टिकुलर प्लान, तो मैं भी वही प्लान फॉलो करूंगा. टेल मी वन थिंग, इज इट प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल? टाइप येस और नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. यस, नो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. कंपनीज लाइक रिलायंस जो सालों से है, दे आर फिनेंशियली वेरी स्ट्रांग, राइट? वो लोग को रिसोर्सेज की कमी नहीं है. 1 minute, just let me mute you all. Yeah. So that's what I was talking about. Company like Reliance, they don't have any limitation of resources, right? So you cannot say कि उसने जो apply किया इसलिए first thing SWOT analysis I always keep on telling, right? Know what are your strengths, know what are your weaknesses, right? उसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज मिशन. मिशन लाइक सी दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू डिफरेंस बिटवीन मिशन एंड विजन. Vision means over a period of time what we want to achieve. Mission means currently what we are doing in order to achieve our objectives, right? Objective second point could be, as you all know, what are the objectives: to earn profit, minimize losses, expand our business, right? Strategies again, as I said, long term planning. Future mein what we want. For example, if Reliance, like just currently I read in the news, Mukesh Ambani is not just the richest person in India to hai, but in the world also he is in the top 10, right? So strategy means what? So for example, if Reliance have high plans, it doesn't mean that we as a startup company, हमारी company के क्या limitations है we know, right? So set a plan accordingly. The second point now, analyze organizational and external environment. This is nothing but pestle analysis. External environment means everything pestle. मतलब सी क्या लिखा है, organizational resources and capabilities, strength and weaknesses. So as we all know, company के I'm giving you an example now. What could be a company strength? Maybe उनकी logistic system बहुत अच्छी है. Like for example, someone like Amazon who started the concept of one day delivery, right? So वो उनकी strength हो गई. Weakness क्या था? I don't remember about this example giving it to you people, but see again I am repeating, like many people since were absent. So see they started with the concept of coming up with bubble papers. इसके आप हमेशा देखो packages जो आते हैं उनमें इतना अच्छा हम सोचते हैं क्यों पैकेजिंग करते हैं, राइट? ताकि योर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट ब्रोकन और इन अ बैड कंडीशन, right? So why weaknesses means you have to work on those weakness. Industry and external environment. Okay. Now see opportunities and threats. So as you all know, opportunities, threats means khatra. So who's your biggest problem over here? Your competitors. Many times what happens is, um, for example, we all know China. I'm not talking about the current situation, but for example, kai baar your product is really very innovative, pricing is also very good, but what might happen here is substitutes. What I mean to say is easily China copies our products. So again what will happen is, and if you already know, if someone is copying you, so ultimately the profit will, I mean they will keep less price. And what the customer is ideally concerned with, हमें less price में मिल रहा है तो we'll buy that product only, right? It's a very simple thing. So ऐसे कई problems आ सकते हैं. What I mean is competition तो है ही, substitutes is also a big problem, right? um, Opportunities could be, for example, India में आप देखो, I'll give you an example of Godrej, many companies. If you see India में most of rural population is maximum. Only if you ideally see 20% people stay in cities. तो वो लोग वहाँ पे भी उनका business बहुत expand कर रहे हैं. In the same way, same companies, Reliance, Tata, they expand internationally also. Countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Africa, right? So those are opportunities. The third point is develop new strategies. Okay, so ये जो answer है develop new strategies, there are three types of strategies. Again these three types, इस पे भी आपको maybe short notes पूछ सकते हैं, because it's very important for you to understand this answer, right? So अभी quickly I am just giving you a brief gist क्या होता है. Okay. Now, corporate strategy means what? So, let me give you an example. I used to work in Godrej. तो वहाँ पे there used to be many departments. So, for example, we had almost 14 divisions. Like one was electricals. यहाँ पे, as you all know, fridges, ये washing machines, all of these products used to come. One was specially department for cupboards and locks. राइट। तो ऐसे टोटल वन वॉज फॉर ये जो एरोस्पेस में इक्विपमेंट यूज होते हैं फॉर दैट। तो व्हाट आई मीन टू से सेपरेट उन्होंने क्लासिफाई डिविजन्स कर दिए थे। नाउ व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रेटेजी मीन्स व्हाट हैपेंड इज उनका जो ओनर था द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ गोदरेज मिस्टर गोदरेज ऑफ कोर्स ही यूज टू कम वंस अ वीक ही आते थे। एंड क्या होता था, ये सब जो डिपार्टमेंट्स थे उनके जो हेड्स थे उनके साथ ही यूज टू हैव अ मीटिंग। व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रेटेजी मीन्स व्हाट समथिंग दैट इज कॉमन टू ऑल। तो क्या होता है एवरी वीक दे टेक अ रेगुलर फॉलो अप कौन क्या काम कर रहा है, राइट। सो कॉर्पोरेट मीन्स सबके लिए एक ही स्ट्रेटेजी। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रेटेजी कुड बी वर्क टाइमिंग्स, फॉर्मुलेटिंग वर्क टाइमिंग्स लाइक क्या मैनेजमेंट ने डिसाइड किया है वर्क टाइम्स वुड बी फ्रॉम 9 to 5। नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप लॉक्स डिपार्टमेंट में हो, आईटी डिपार्टमेंट, विच एवर डिपार्टमेंट यू आर इन, न्यू आई मीन दिस पॉलिसी विल बी कॉमन टू ऑल, ये जो स्ट्रेटेजी बन रही है, राइट। The next one is business strategy. Now see business strategy means what? For example अभी जैसे मैंने आपको बोला लॉक्स करके एक डिवीजन है या आईटी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी करके एक डिवीजन है। सो नाउ इसमें ये जो इंडिविजुअल ये जो आईटी डिपार्टमेंट है ये जो पॉलिसीज फ्रेम करेंगे दोज आर नोन एज बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजीज, राइट। नाउ सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड IT department. See, after all, we all know. So, for example, let's take college ka hi example so that you can easily read. For example, if there's a college, we all know first of all, there will be a corporate policy. Means what? College timings, right? So, for example, 3 hours minimum college hongi hi, right. So that could be corporate. Now business strategy means for example division of all courses, BMS, BAF, BBI, all of those. Functional strategy means what? Now for example see every function. So agar aap see now we are going more into detail. जैसे कि I said first one was corporate, that's clear overall. Business में as I told आपके जो divisions थे उनके लिए अपनी खुद की policy, right. Now functional. Now see within IT department also there will be many subdivisions. So for example वहां पे भी एक HR का डिपार्टमेंट होगा, IT का कोर जो बैक एंड काम कर रहे हैं उनका डिवीजन होगा, वहां पे भी यू नीड पीपल टू हैंडल फिनेंस, राइट। सो स्पेशल फिनेंस डिपार्टमेंट। सो नाउ व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज फंक्शनल स्ट्रेटेजीज, ईच एंड एवरी फंक्शन के लिए भी दे हैव सेपरेट स्ट्रेटेजीज। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इवन जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा कि मे बी BMS स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट। तो उनके लिए पूरा क्लास हु विल हैंडल, सी बिकॉज सब एवरी कोर्सेज आर डिफरेंट इन द सेम वे कंपनी के विषय ऑल ऑपरेशंस आर डिफरेंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन नॉट से कि what BBI is doing, I will follow the same pattern for you guys. ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? Maybe BBI जो course है, they focus more on accounts and other subjects. People like you all जो BMS में है, they focus more on the managerial side, right? So that is the difference. Don't worry about this. अभी अगर ये आपको नहीं समझाए, anyway answer detail में है types of strategies. So we'll do it in the coming lectures. Don't worry about it. Now what is left out is like see strategy implementation. This I am not doing now because I want to keep the portion parallel with that division. So see I have told you, right? See आप लोग खुद देखो ये जो first 3 steps है रिटर्न स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर्मुलेशन, मतलब अब तक हम प्लानिंग ही कर रहे हैं। यू कैन क्लियरली सी 5 में से 3 जो स्टेप्स है प्लानिंग के ही है, right? Yes, now it will exactly end in 10 minutes. So that's what I was telling, planning पे इतना focus हो रहा है, actual implementation is happening in the next, right? Okay, so now you people tell me, do you have any doubts so far? एनी डाउट सो फार, कुछ नहीं समझा हो आज के लेक्चर में, आपको कुछ डाउट है? असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर बाय नाउ, राइट? It's very easy. What do you mean by strategic management? I think notes you must have received on the group. मैंने कल दोनों divisions को एक साथ भेज दिया था, right? Process of strategic management, what we learned today. You can write all the 5 points because ये easy है. Otherwise, it's okay if you write 3 points. Next lecture we are going to finish this up. Just I'll quickly show you one thing. Like next lecture के जो slides है, some of you might have already seen it on the group. Are you able to see the slide? Like this is a very easy answer for you. So next lecture along with those 2 points I'll quickly cover upon SWOT analysis also. See, because you might feel कि मैम SWOT हम कितनी बार पढ़ रहे हैं, but ये answer even like I was checking university's paper also. So this question short notes में especially it always comes. It is again a short question, right? So understanding this SWOT now, हम लोग individually we are not doing SWOT for BMS students, right? Now we are studying it from company's point of view. So ये सब जो क्या है we are going to study in the next lecture, right? So yes, let me take your attendance. And yes, I don't think I mentioned to you all. See, when you people join, I mean the meeting, आप लोग please write your own name. Like or some people I've seen them writing कुछ और name ही लिख देते हैं. Otherwise, they write short forms. What then happens is we don't come to know कि who is present. See, because अभी तो roll numbers and all they are not decided.